In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase video quality here in Premiere Pro. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to boost the quality of your videos real quick using Premiere Pro, begin by importing the video that you want to go ahead and increase the quality into your timeline. And from here, go ahead and go to your files and click on this little new item section right here to pull up a page that looks like this and select adjustment layer. From here, go ahead and drag that adjustment layer onto your clip and extend it for the entire duration. Now from here, go ahead and navigate to the effects panel right here and search for two different effects. The first effect is going to be sharpen right here, and the second one is actually unsharp mask. Click and drag both of those onto that adjustment layer. From here, navigate up to the effect controls, and what you're going to want to go ahead and do is under the sharpen amount section for sharpen, change it to 10, just like so. And then for this unsharp mask section, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find the amount right here and change it to 100. What this is going to do is make your video look sharper and more polished without being overdone. Now, obviously, this sample clip isn't the best clip in the entire world to demonstrate this, but trust me, this is going to make your videos look great. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, but have a great rest of your day. Peace.